Good morning, students. Today we are going to know about Dr. West's new method. It is propounded by Dr. Michael Philip West. Dr. West's new method was advised by Dr. Michael West, who taught English in India for a number of years and was well aware of English language teaching in India, and he found that for Indian learners of English, their learning to read English was easier than speaking it. By that, he recommended an emphasis on reading and made a thorough study of prevailing methods of teaching English in India, and came to a conclusion that the drawbacks of direct method, and he laid down a method known as new method, or it is also called as Dr. West new method of teaching English. So it is also one of the methods of teaching English, and here it is against of direct method. Yes, because by concluding direct methods demerits, Dr. West propounded this method to give more importance on reading. So next is favor, that means use of mother tongue. Dr. West's new method, it provides an opportunity to use the mother tongue. That means teachers and students may use mother tongue to learn the foreign language in the classroom. And next is priority, reading with selected vocabulary. Yes, here Dr. West gives importance on reading of selected vocabulary. That means here teacher produce a list of English words, and the words which are going to be practiced by the students, which are most frequently used in their day-to-day conversation. Okay, and next is emphasis, developing reading ability and silent reading. So teachers who select this method to teach English keeps this point in view, that this method laid more emphasis on reading aloud and silent reading. By giving an opportunity on drilling correct pronunciation, teacher is going to develop the reading comprehension ability among the students. The West new method puts emphasis on three important elements. First, reading. Second, readers with selected vocabulary, and thirdly, judicious use of the mother tongue. So, Dr. West prepared a series of readers and rapid readers called new method readers. Each reader has its own rapid reader corresponding to it in a vocabulary and interesting standard matter of the reading. That means Dr. West gives more importance on three elements, that is reading. So that means teacher is going to give an context to the students to read first, and then the teacher is going to select the vocabulary according to gradation and selection of the vocabulary, and then the third point is judicious use of the mother tongue. Judicious use of the mother tongue, it means here Dr. West given an opportunity to students as well as teachers to use the regional language or pupils language to learn the target language, and teacher is going to provide an opportunity or gives a chance to speak and understand the English language into their mother tongue. So the main features of Dr. West's new method are reading. According to Dr. West, Indian children should first be taught how to read English. That means Dr. West thought that English children can derive real benefit from reading habits. The student should be developed ability to read, which is more important than the ability to write. So it involves the four skills of language learning. They are listening, speaking, reading and writing, and the one which is likely to be the most useful for students of a foreign language is reading. So he gives more and more importance on reading. And the next feature is the teacher should engage them in purposeful silent reading. Yes, so as this method aims at deriving reading ability which is necessary for foreign language learning, that is ability to read with comprehension and correct pronunciation. But thereby the teacher who selects this method to teach English should lay down emphasis on silent reading, which is very much useful for higher studies and develops more effective in developing comprehension purposefully to make students as self-readers. That means they can read any text by own without the help of anybody. The next feature is some oral work mainly in the form of reading aloud before silent reading. Here teacher should provide some oral work for reading aloud before starting to silent reading, because the children gets a feeling of the language and acquires efficiency in reading aloud and brings some speed and accuracy automatically. That means when child acquire the knowledge of pronunciation, stress and intonation by reading aloud with the help of teacher and make themselves to practice well and develop the skill of self-reading. So next we shall move towards what are the merits of Dr. West's new method. The first and foremost merit of this method is independent reading. No doubt this theory develops reading ability because emphasis is on reading, especially silent reading, where people acquire own activity of drilling and reading the list of English words prepared by the teacher, and according to that practice aloud reading with the help of the teacher, and it develops the knowledge of pronunciation and by involving these students into the opportunities provided by the teacher, and finally this makes the students practice in correct form of language. So the teacher who selects this method can able to see independent reading by the students. And the second merit is West's new method is very effective in the teaching of reading. Yes, because as we all know that English being an international language which promotes internationalism and a feeling of brotherhood among different people of the world, is it not? So it means that as I told earlier, Dr. West designed this method by giving emphasis on three elements, that are reading, readers and judicious use of the mother tongue. So it can be seen that this method is useful in teaching of reading because teacher provides both oral and reading as well as silent reading, is it not? Oral reading and silent reading, which involve the pupils to self-study and aims at developing reading ability, which is a necessary part of the reading comprehension, is it? Okay, so next merit is the practice exercises are quite interesting. Yes, so practice exercises are quite interesting. That means this method provides an interesting learning of reading along with understanding. So why? Here teacher provides a list of words which are frequently used by students in their day-to-day conversation. That's why students show interest on learning reading aloud and develops the ability to understand. That means reading comprehension can be done, is it? The words meaning in the context, its meaning and also the reading comprehension may be developed. So both go a long way in improving their written as well as spoken language. So students, as we all know that every method has its own disadvantages, is it? Yes. So here we shall know that what are the demerits of this method. First demerit is no emphasis on theoretical grammar. Yes. So Dr. West's theory of developing reading ability before the development of speech is unsound, and in fact speech always comes first, so the habit of speaking should be developed first by providing suitable opportunities, but the grammar is taught inductively in this method. According to West, he gives more importance on functional grammar and not on the theoretical grammar. To him, grammar is not a code of rules. He is against to teaching formal grammar. So that's why it is one of the demerit. And the next demerit is ignores the other skills, other three skills. They are listening, speaking and writing. As every language has the four basic communication skills. They are listening, speaking, reading and writing. But Dr. West's clear-cut distinction between speaking and reading is not appreciated by many authors. So much importance is given to reading here. So reading may be helpful in learning a language, but reading alone cannot be trusted to fulfill other three skills. They are listening, speaking and writing. So it will make the teaching procedure passive, because this method emphasizing only on one aspect, that is reading with comprehension. So other three skills are totally neglecting. So it is one of the demerit. And the next disadvantage is this method attaches too much of input to silent reading. No doubt in learning of a language, silent reading has an important role. So Dr. West's new method of teaching English develops reading ability before development of the speech. That means it is not suitable for English learning. In fact, speech should always come first. So the habit of speaking should be developed first by providing suitable opportunities, and it should follow the other skills of language. So this method attaches too much of input to silent reading in learning a language. Instead of emphasizing the four aspects of language learning, this method emphasizing only one reading skill with comprehension. But learning a language must involve four skills of language. So these are the disadvantages of Dr. West's new method, which is advocated by Dr. Michael West. Thank you.